name is Crystal Reese, and this is my persuasive speech. Imagine that you're about to graduate high school and you're preparing to choose the college you want to attend. You become curious about a specific school and you decide to go on a tour of the campus. When the day comes, you begin walking school grounds when suddenly you find yourself passing by a large crowd of people surrounded in cigarette smoke. However, as you see more of the campus, you continue to notice the amount of tobacco use. Does this affect your decision if this should be the college for you? Melissa Schwartz of ABC News reports that a third of college students use a tobacco product such as cigarettes or chewing tobacco. The use of tobacco products while on campus has significantly grown over the years, and it is evident on most campuses. College students who smoke on campus bring negative effects not only upon themselves, but also their peers and even the campus as a whole. The most notable downfall of allowing tobacco use, specifically smoking cigarettes, is how it majorly affects your fellow peers. Most students will stand outside of hallways in order to smoke, but this creates a risk of secondhand smoke to anyone who's passing by, especially if it's a large group. The Center for Disease and Control Prevention states that secondhand smoke alone contains more than 7,000 chemicals, hundreds which are toxic, and more than 70 which can cause cancer. Being around smoke allows the risk of numerous health problems, including asthma and respiratory infections. Aside from the obvious health risks, there are a few small issues that stem from allowing cigarettes to be smoked on campus. Here at Southeastern, we are offered a shuttle bus system in order to get around campus faster. I remember my freshman year, I was at one of the stops when a few other kids came over and talked as they smoked their cigarettes, and we waited on the bus. I didn't pay much attention to it, but when I got to my class, I was instantly disgusted by the fact that I reeked of smoke. Although I had not even touched a cigarette, I was suffering from an effect of it. The students who smoke on campus then attend classes where sometimes the room may be a little smaller and others have to handle the smell. As I stated earlier, allowing tobacco use has a huge effect on a school's campus. After smoking, the majority of students simply discard their products on the ground. By doing so, litter on campus is rising and the aesthetic appeal drops drastically. Karen Vickner, a student here at Southeastern, said that the previous tobacco use on campus made her feel uneasy when walking to her classes. She stated, "I always felt like I had to avoid areas where a lot of people would smoke because I hated the smell. I didn't want to walk around people and think I could get burned." As an educational institution, we must ask ourselves, is allowing the use of tobacco products really worth losing the appeal we have? When I first began my speech, I briefly mentioned visiting a school's campus. Many students, whether it's incoming freshmen or even transfers, they will often go to see the school's campus before making a definite decision. If one of these students notices that the amount of smoking on a campus, that college poses the risk of having a low enrollment rate. The use of tobacco products definitely has a negative outcome on college campuses. There is, however, a way to stop it. NoSmoke.org claims that curbing smoking on campuses could prevent a new generation of lifetime smokers. So what exactly can be done? As of this October, Americans for Non-Smokers' Rights found that at least 1,477 campuses are now 100% smoke-free, 975 which are also 100% tobacco-free. As the social norm to promote a smoke-free environment continues to grow, many colleges are now pushing to join this movement. As of August 1st, 2014, Southeastern Louisiana University has also made the decision to be a tobacco-free campus. All use of tobacco products such as cigarettes and chewing tobacco is now prohibited from the school's grounds. The passing of this policy has allowed nothing but positive results for the school. Erin Brady, a student here at Southeastern, said that since the new policy was enacted, she has never been happier to walk on campus. It's a great feeling to walk by a certain building where people used to all stand and smoke and have nothing but clean and fresh air. I am pushing for more schools across the nation to join the movement and becoming tobacco-free. By doing so, college campuses can be seen and judged for the reasons that they truly should be. The Bacchus Network, a big supporter for smoke-free and tobacco-free policies, says that by enabling one of the two, the college or university will not only be a leader on a national and regional level, but also will set a higher standard. If you look around you, the majority of businesses, such as restaurants and bars, are now smoke-free establishments. I believe that colleges and universities should act as a leader in this movement rather than a follower, and begin to implement tobacco-free policies everywhere. If being tobacco-free will grant you a healthier campus as well as a better image for your school, are you willing to do what it takes to push for this new movement?